Living and non-living things. Introduction. The world around us is full of things, big and small. Things that exist freely in nature are called natural things. Things that are made by man for his use and convenience are called man-made things. All natural things are either living or non-living things. Living things and non-living things. Plants, animals, birds, insects, human beings are examples of living things. River, mountain, natural but non-living things. Things such as books, toys and many such things are man-made things. Living things breathe. All living things like human, plants and animals breathe air using different organs. Human beings and animals breathe through their lungs. Fish breathe through their gills. Plants take in air through very tiny openings and their leaves called stomata. Bottle, chair, clothes, non-living things do not breathe. Living things grow. All living things grow. A sapling or a baby plant mostly grows out of a seed and becomes a tree. Human babies and young ones of animals grow older, changing in shapes and size too. Look at your photographs when you are born. Balls, tables, books, fan, non-living things do not grow. Living things need food and water to live. In addition to air, all living things need food and water to live. Plants prepare their own food. Living things need food and water to live. Animals get their food either from plants or from other animals. Deer eat grass and tiger, deer and other animals. Living things need birds, seeds, fruits and small insects, human, plants and animals. Non-living things do not need food or water. Living things can move. All living things can move from one place to another in some way or the other. Many animals move in search of food, water and shelter. Plants cannot move from one place to another but do show some amount of movement in the form of blooming or growing in the direction of sunlight. Living things, non-living things cannot move from one place to another on their own like radio, kites and tower. We make non-living things can move when we drive a car, fly a kite, wipe a handle with a towel. The make non-living things move when I drive a car. Non-living things cannot move without help like rocks, bed and bicycles. Living things sense their surroundings. All living things sense their surroundings and most often respond to it. They do not with the help of their sense organs. They have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue. Dogs have a very strong sense of smell and are often used to solve thieves and other crimes. Animals like cats and dogs are kept as pets for their affection and companionship. Some birds are also able to sense an oncoming danger. The touch me not plant close its leaves as it shine upon anyone touched it. This happens because it is sensitive to touch. Telephone, purse, bat are non-living things. They cannot have sense organs. Living things reproduce. All living things reproduce young ones of their own kind. Animals reproduce either by laying eggs or by giving birth to their young ones. Most plants produce seeds. These seeds grow into baby plant when they get adequate sunlight, water, soil and fresh air. Car, pencil, fan, non-living things do not reproduce. Living things have a lifespan. All living things grow old and die. हाउस फ्लाई शॉर्ट लाइफ होती है, टॉर्टोइज हैव अ लॉन्ग लाइफ. Okay, they all have a life span. Housefly 20 to 30 days. Dog 13 to 15 years. Tortoise 150 years. Human being 70 to 85 years. American redwood tree 500 to 700 years. Non-living things have no life, so they do not die.